Good evening everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Maz and tonight I'll be swapping out this key fob. And we'll be swapping out to this one, which I've just got from China. So first things first, let's remove the original. For the record, I absolutely despise the way this looks. It looks a bit too plain, and compared to other cars in its price point, it does look a bit uninspiring. On this one, you do get a Jaguar emblem on this side, so they forgot to provide me the emblem, which I'll probably order a separate one later on. But for the meantime, this is just a quick DIY video on how to swap this key fob to this one, especially when the F-Type never came with this style key fob. So for starters, you take out the original, get the key fob out, not the key fob, the metal key out, put it into this cutout, pry open. There we go. So this one has all the chips and the battery. So I'll get this one out. Just get the battery out just to be safe. That goes there. And of course, the board. Finally, and of course this little surround as well. There we go. Now let's open this one. Again, you don't need a trim tool, you can just use the metal fob. So for the new one, you just twist here. Let's try with this one. There we go. And of course, the pattern is exactly the same. Chip goes here, surround goes here. Battery goes here. The spring mechanism. and the other fascia. Don't forget this part. So one side has 3 pins and the other side has 2, so 3 goes on this side and 2 goes on the other. Click, click. One more here. Put the key fob in. And there we go, the new key. So that's what you'll be expecting, albeit with a Jaguar emblem here. This is actually my second key. The first one has already been swapped out and does come with the Jaguar emblem. I'll show you a picture of it right now. And personally, I think it feels heftier, more solid, more upmarket, and more in keeping with a car of its category. So let's try it out on the car. And one last thing, when the battery goes dead, you don't have to disassemble the key fob like with the original, with the metal key fob on its own. This one is just a quick release, so the metal key is ready when you need it. Also with this key fob, the softer material is known for peeling. Luckily this one isn't made of that same material, so this one is less prone to peel, so but a lot more durable, a lot more long lasting, and technically more upmarket in a literal perspective. So that's it for tonight's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me swap out the old key, which looks like this, to this one. I hope you find this video useful. I hope it helps motivate you to work on your car a bit more and maybe do some upgrades to it as well. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, ring the bell to stay up to speed, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.